Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Financial freedom. What it is and why it matters. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means having enough wealth and income to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job. It's the ability to make choices about your life without financial constraints, enabling you to live on your own terms. Key elements of financial freedom. 1. No dependence on active income. Your investments, savings, or passive income streams sustain your lifestyle. 2. Control over finances. You manage debt wisely, save consistently, and have a plan for unexpected expenses. 3. Freedom to choose. Financial freedom allows you to decide how and where to spend your time, whether pursuing passions, traveling, or retiring early. Why does financial freedom matter? 1. Reduces financial stress. No longer worrying about meeting basic needs leads to peace of mind and improved mental well-being. 2. Increases flexibility. With financial security, you can change careers, start a business, or take time off without financial worries. 3. Provides autonomy. Freedom from paycheck to paycheck living gives you control over your future. 4. Creates opportunities. With financial resources, you can seize opportunities like investing, further education, or helping others. Unlocking financial independence. Unlocking financial independence means achieving a state where you no longer rely solely on active income, such as a 9-to-5 job, to sustain your lifestyle. Instead, your wealth and income streams work for you, enabling freedom and security. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Investing. The engine of wealth growth. Investing is a cornerstone of financial independence, leveraging the power of compounding and diversification to grow wealth over time. Key strategies. 1. Diversify assets. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. 1. Spread your investments across stocks and ETFs for growth potential. Consider index funds like the S&P 500 for broad market exposure. Bonds for stability and income. Alternative assets include real estate investment trusts, REITs, commodities, or cryptocurrencies for portfolio balance. Dividend-paying stocks. These provide regular passive income while the principal grows. 2. Long-term focus. Prioritize consistent contributions to investment accounts, e.g., retirement accounts, brokerage accounts. 2. Time in the market is more valuable than timing the market. 3. Compounding returns. Reinvest earnings to grow your wealth exponentially. 3. Starting early maximizes the effect. Tools for beginners. 1. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Wealthsimple, Betterment, or Robinhood automate investing and simplify diversification. 2. Tax-advantaged accounts. Use retirement accounts like IRAs, 401ks, or RRSPs to shield growth from taxes. Real estate. A pillar of passive income. Real estate offers opportunities to build wealth and generate passive income, making it a reliable path to financial independence. Benefits. 1. Equity building. Over time, mortgage payments increase your ownership stake in a property, contributing to net worth. 2. Appreciation. Real estate typically increases in value over time, offering long-term gains. 3. Rental income. Owning rental properties can provide consistent cash flow to cover expenses or fund other investments. Approaches to real estate. 1. Rental properties. Single-family homes, multifamily units, or vacation rentals. Consider factors like location, tenant demand, and maintenance costs. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Invest in real estate without owning property directly. REITs pay dividends and offer liquidity. 3. House hacking. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others to offset mortgage costs. Tips for success. 1. Research the market thoroughly before purchasing. 2. Have a clear plan for managing rental properties or hire a property manager. 3. Factor in unexpected costs like repairs, vacancies, and property taxes. Side hustles and passive income streams. Having multiple income streams accelerates financial independence, reduces risk, and creates flexibility. Active side hustles. 1. Freelancing or consulting. Monetize skills like writing, graphic design, or programming. 2. E-commerce. Sell products through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. 3. Tutoring or teaching. Share expertise by offering courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Passive income streams. 1. Digital products. Create e-books, templates, or online courses that generate income repeatedly. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services through blogs, social media, or YouTube. 3. Dividends and interest. Invest in stocks, bonds, or high-yield savings accounts for regular payouts. 4. Real estate rentals. Generate income with minimal effort by renting out properties. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to earn interest by funding loans. Scaling passion projects. Start a side hustle aligned with your interests and passions. As it grows, you can automate or outsource tasks to convert it into a passive income source. Mindset and discipline. Essential for independence. Achieving financial independence isn't just about strategy, it's about mindset and habits. 1. Frugality. Spend intentionally. 1. Prioritize needs over wants to free up funds for investments. 2. Continuous learning. Stay informed about personal finance and investment trends. 3. Consistency. Commit to regular contributions towards savings and investments, no matter how small. Metrics to track progress. 1. Savings rate. The percentage of income you save or invest. 1. Aim for at least 20-30%. 2. Net worth growth. Monitor your assets minus liabilities to track financial progress. 3. Passive income versus expenses. The ultimate goal is for passive income to cover all living expenses. Why financial independence is worth it. Unlocking financial independence gives you 1. Time freedom. Focus on passions, family, or personal growth instead of working for survival. 2. Security. Peace of mind knowing you can weather financial challenges without stress. 3. Choices. Live life on your terms, whether that means early retirement, traveling, or pursuing hobbies full-time. Start small, stay consistent, and leverage these strategies to build a future of true independence. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.